go till our death.
You said you'll only love me till whenever. You said you'll only love me till death, till forever. Now you know tea no more. And 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 now you know tea no more.
This album Bury My Heart, the album enge broken hearts, people who experienced ulahlo umzekelo relationships zabo umzekelo ne baza relate kakhulu kule album. This album is titled Bury My Heart. Reason why is because it's about something I have experienced, and London the experience layer it killed my heart, so my heart is dead. So in this album I'm saying bury my heart. In every song in this album, it's not a creativity, it's not a ndoni, it's just coming from my heart. Yonke nje but I'm not feeling anything hard. It's like every song in this album is real, and I'm sure many people will relate to it. So please make sure you do stream this album. It will be available in all digital music stores, whatever. Yeah, and it is coming soon. Date will be announced soon. Thank you.
Everyone is the one thing they leave you miserable. Look, inhliziyo talibulele unpotlile stand unonile bury my heart, baby please bury my heart. Bury my heart, baby please bury my heart. Inhliziyo talibulele unpotlile stand unonile bury my heart, baby please bury my heart. Bury my heart, baby please bury my heart. Words are just words, never believe in them cause a hard head. Look, bazokukhatha benze promises, promise to never leave you, neither break your heart. Don't fall for that trap. Nigga, please don't smile when they clap. Nigga, move back. Don't bet with your heart, don't risk. Inhliziyo